The spooky season is here. And in this episode of the Candy Apple Masterclass, I'm going to show you how to create Halloween edible images using Cricut Design Space. A lot of people open Cricut, see all the buttons, and get overwhelmed. But don't worry, I'm going to walk you through the design step by step, so by the end, you'll have your Halloween images ready to go. And in the next episode, I'll show you exactly how to print and cut them for your candy apples. This is Candy Apple TV with DIY Queen Diva. Once you have selected new project in your Cricut, it's going to bring you over to a blank canvas like this. I am going to use a black and white checkerboard image. I may change my mind, but to show you how to make the image, I am going to use a black and white checkerboard that I got from Google by typing in black and white checkerboard PNG. Once you click add to canvas, you're going to make it a little bigger because your image is going to be a 2x2 circle. You always want to use a 2x2 circle for your edible images for candy apples. I am going to take this circle and place over the checkerboard image. You can take your mouse and hover over both images. Or if you're like me, you use your short keys a lot and you're just going to hit Control A. Now you're going to come down and you're going to slice it. You're going to move your circle over, delete, move this image over, delete. Now you have your checkerboard circle. I am going to hit text. I'm going to bring in my text. I'm going to make this a Halloween green. I am going to change my font to this, make it bigger. And if you notice, Cricut picked up on your design. So if you're not subscribed, you're going to see an A, and that means for subscription. If I really need one of these images, I'll just come over here and click on this and resubscribe. But I really don't need an image because everything is free, what I'm using. Alright, so I am just going to type in ghost. And I still need to make this a little bigger. Now, of course, it's too big for the circle, so you just want to bring it in. I'm going to make it a little bigger. Let's see. A little more. That's too big. About right there. Okay. I'm going to bring everything over here. And you see how it's not grouped? So right now, I'm going to make it about a 50. That's a 55. That's too big. Make it about a 50. Okay, so it's a 50. You want to rotate this so you can hit your text, go over to your pen, go down to rotate. I'm going to make this about a 13. There we go. Now you can select all and you can group it. And that way your image is all one image. So I'm going to hit Control A again, and I'm going to attach and flatten. Now I am ready to print. You can go ahead and make it. So you're going to print on your edible image for your edible images. And you can hit save, and I'm going to type in Halloween ghost and click over here to that Halloween folder and click save. So now Cricut is ready to print on your edible images and cut. If you need to learn how to print and cut, join my Facebook group because I just showed someone how to print and cut images with a Sonic Hedgehog image. Now that wasn't for an edible image, but it was to show you how to print and cut. But if you really need to know how to print and cut, let me know down in the comment section and I'll make sure on my next video I show you how to print and cut. If you need more than one image, you go over and select 12 or how many ever you need. And it's going to make you 12. Well, say I don't need 12. Only need a half a dozen. Okay, well, do a half a dozen and apply. Or if you just want to do a few, you can just hit that. You can just come over and type in 3 and apply. And then you want to hit continue and it's ready to make. You're going to send it to your edible printer, and you can use your Cricut to cut or your 2-inch hole puncher, and I will put that 2-inch hole puncher, if that's easier for you to do, I'll put that 2-inch hole puncher link down in the description box. Okay, I think I have explained this pretty well for you guys. If not, let me know down in the comment section and let's get ready to decorate our candy apples. So if you're looking for the Candy Apple TV Facebook group, we're right here and you click join group. But I'm going to tell you right now, if your Facebook doesn't look, if it's any type of iffy, and what I mean, if you don't have a picture or if you have joined a million groups, it's iffy. Just don't come to join this group with a fake Facebook page. So if you have a fake Facebook page, your chances of getting approved in the group are slim to none. So make sure you use your Facebook page and join the group. If you have enjoyed this Candy Apple tutorial, make sure you subscribe, like, and comment on the video. I'll see you in a few seconds over in my next video.